एक बार DS हेरिटेज स्कॉलर स्कूल बरवाल मोड़ में। इनके स्कूल के बच्चे जो हैं इन्होंने भी काफी अच्छा प्रदर्शन किया है और टॉप किया है। काफी खुशी होती है जब ये बच्चे टॉप करते हैं। आज स्कूल मैनेजमेंट द्वारा इन्हें शुभकामनाएं दी और इनका मुंह मीठा भी करवाया गया। तो चलिए इन बच्चों से मिलवाते हैं, इन बच्चों का क्या कहना है।
Hello everyone, this is Tanisha Mehra and I am from DS Heritage Scholar School, Barwal Mode, Kathua. I have achieved 85% in my 10th board exams. I am extremely thankful to my parents and my teachers who gave me and encouraged me for my results. Moreover, I would like to thank my principal sir who encouraged me and also gave valuable information for these results. This is all because of the hard work and dedication, and also believe in yourself. My aim is to become a doctor and also an air hostess.
I am Shraddha Rajput. I am from DS Heritage Scholar School. I scored 79.4 marks in CBSE both in 10th. Firstly, I want to thank my parents who always support me. They never discourage me. They always support me and they mentally care about me. They never let me down. Secondly, I want to thank my teachers. They also help me. They always stand with me. They always help to solve my queries and my problems.
I recently scored a percentage of 96.2 in CBSE 10 board examination. I would like to give the credit to my family members, especially my parents, grandfather, and also the coaching and school teachers. I always pay importance to all the three kinds of preparations, that is self-study, coaching and school study. I would like to thank all the school teachers because our school teachers were one of the best and solved my queries instantly and clarified our doubts. I would pay all my credit to our teaching staff. I will try to become an engineer from.
And I've scored good marks in CBSE class 10 CBSE boards as I expected, and I want to become an army officer in my future, and I want to pay my credit to my parents, to my school staff, and to my respected principal sir, and to my
Mall. I am from DS Heritage Scholar School, Barwal Mode. I scored good marks in class 10 CBSE board examinations. I pay all my I tribute my marks to our principal, teachers and all my friends who helped me in my studies. They helped me to solve my queries, and I want to become an army officer in my future.
Just Lalo from DS Heritage Scholar School. I scored 78.4 marks in CBSE board examination. This credit goes to our school teachers and my parents who always help me and supports me. My teachers always solve my queries and help me to solve the questions and everything. This is the result of my hard work and dedication.
And I got 74.2% marks in CBSE examination 2020, and I have gone this credit to my parents, teachers and school staff. So I will thanks to all the parents, their efforts.
Myself Palak Redal. I am from DS Heritage Scholar School. I scored 78.4% in CBSE board exam. इसका से पहले मैं अपने टीचर्स का, अपने स्कूल स्टाफ मेंबर्स का, अपने प्रिंसिपल का और अपने पेरेंट्स का शुक्रिया करना चाहती हूँ जिन्होंने मुझे इतना सपोर्ट किया, मुझे इनकरेज।
बताएंगे हर बार जो है वो रिजल्ट अच्छा आता है और इस बार भी जो है 12th की बात करें या फिर 10th की ICBSE की बात करें काफ़ी अच्छा रिजल्ट आया, क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
Yes, indeed, this is a great result, and I'm really very happy to announce that the second highest topper of Kathua district is from our school. I really want to congratulate all the students who have brought laurel to our school. Overall, 67% have appeared from our school in this CBSE 10th class examination. And our first topper is Sushant Bogle, who have secured 96.2%. And the second topper is Ruchi, who has secured 93%, and the third topper is Sahil, who has secured 91.2%. All these students have really worked hard, and they have represented their school with such great result today. Nevertheless, I cannot forget to congratulate their proud teachers who have really worked hard for bringing the best out of these students. Their work is really acknowledgeable, and I really want to congratulate all of them. And yes, I want to say that the efforts which have been taken by the parents cannot also be forgotten. I am really very thankful to the parents for supporting the efforts which have been taken by the school for bringing this result today. Congratulations to all of them once again, and keep up the good work always. Thank you so much.
On behalf of principal, management and teachers of DS Heritage College School, Barwal Mode, Kathua, I congratulate my students of 10th class who scored highest marks in the 10th class examination. And I am proud of strenuous and endurance efforts made by the students of 10th class in making the result fruitful. Toppers being Sushant, having scored 96.2%, Ruchi 93%, Sahil 91.4%, and others having scored more than 80% marks in 10th class examination. The school has been consistently outshining the result from the very beginning, and this has been due to the hard work of the teachers, management, and with the collaboration of parents. We extend felicitation especially to the parents who are cooperating with the management in every respect since the school is functioning to their entire satisfaction. The management has directed the teaching staff to leave no stone unturned to provide quality of education to the children in a congenial atmosphere in terms of teaching learning process in the school. Thank you all.